Hello, welcome to this video. I am Ashiqur Rahaman. I am a web analytics expert. So in this video, I will show you how to track button click by Google Tag Manager and send this data to your Google Analytics account. So we have to set up this by some method by step, and we will send this as a custom event. So anyway, at first just to show you, for example, this is a button and we want to click this, and if we click this button, we'll go to another page. So after clicking this button, if a user click this button, we want to track this activity. So why is this important? It can be important for many reasons, like if you are running a funnel ads, then you want to track the clicks of a specific element or a specific space or a specific area of your funnel. Or if you are running a sales ad or e-commerce sales ad, then you want to track this event, because you want to segment the audience and retarget those audience or analyze this audience for later. You can do any kind of thing. So at first, let's do this tracking. So for that, we have to go to Google Tag Manager. If you don't know how to install Google Tag Manager in your Shopify, then I have a previous tutorial. You can check in my description or in my channel. So come to your Google Tag Manager and click variables. From here, click configure. We will use some built-in variable of Google Tag Manager. Scroll down and click these items under clicks. We are enabling some built-in variables that is called clicks now. Okay, we have configured our built-in variables here, and let's preview this to show check our built-in variable working or not. Put your website address here and click connect. Shopify website basically. Okay, so if we click this button, let's see what happened. We can see that a link clicks appeared. Under the variables, we can see some data under click classes, then click element, click ID, click target, click text. So we can see that here is a click text and click URL. So we all know that URL is the most unique thing in a website. So no other URL can be like this. So in this case, click URL is the most unique. So we will use click URL variable to for, to do our or to make our trigger. So we have done our variables and we have to do a trigger. So click trigger and click new, and then here click here and scroll down. From here, click just links. So we have to track this click. Now click some links, and under this here, click here and click URL. Now we want to do this as equals. So whenever a people click equal, click this, let's go back, click this button, we will do a trigger, or it will fire a trigger. So let's copy the URL, click URL. So copy it and paste it here. Now we want to another exception here, because okay, no problem. Leave this as it is. We have no other issues. Click save. Just links. Uh, just name it to remember later. Shopping button. Shopping button. Okay, saved. Now we want to send this data to Google Analytics. So here is our Google Analytics. come to your Google Analytics from the admin section, come to data streams and copy your measurement ID. Okay. And come again to your Google Tag Manager and click tags, and we want to form another custom event because it is a custom event, no built-in events or Google GA4 schema event. So click tag configuration under the Google Analytics. Click Google Analytics GA4 event. Here you have to paste our uh, measurement ID. It found a tag, Google tag, because we have already configured it in our previously. So if you don't know how to do that, check my previous tutorial of how to install Google Analytics in your Shopify website. Now we have to name our event. So what is this event? Let's say we name this as a shop underscore button underscore click. So whenever a people click this button, and it will send to Google Analytics this event named shop button click. So click trigger, and we just triggered our sorry, we just created our trigger. So click here. Now name this J4 event shopping button click. Click save. I don't know why it wants me to refresh. So maybe we need to do the thing again. Click new, click here, GA4 event, paste our measurement ID, again name it. Okay, shopping button. Just do shopping button. No worries. Click here, shopping. Just okay. Hmm. Shop button click. Click save. Hmm. We have done. Click submit. Now let's check. To check, click preview. To check this in Google Analytics, uh, let's come to our Google Analytics dashboard, and from here click debug view here. So let's check. So our website loaded. Now what we have to do? We have to click this button. We have done clicking. So we can see that Google Analytics GA4 event shop button click. This tag just fired. So what we have to do in Google Analytics, check. We have to wait some moment. Yes, we can see that shopping button, this event just came to our Google Analytics. So that's how you can track your button click. So thank you very much. If you want this kind of tutorial, so to see that, please subscribe, and we will see you in later videos. Thanks.